Here we are in section 3.3 with the answers to number 6, 7, and all the way through 13. All right, let's start out here. We're going to fill out the table. So we're going to take these numbers in the x column and we stick them up here into x. Or if they're in the y column, we'll stick them into y. So this first one will give us 2 times 5 is 10 minus 3y equals 9. Subtract 10 from both sides, we get negative 3y equals negative 1. Divide by negative 3 and get y equals a positive 1/3. Next one, let's do that guy right there. Negative 4 up there gives us a negative 8 minus 3y equals 9. Add 8 to both sides, and we get negative 3y equals 17. Divide by a negative 3, and we get negative 17/3. Or if you'd like to, you could write that as negative 5.67 or somewhere around there. That'd be fine. Next one. Now we're going to stick in a y. So we're going to take that guy and put it right up in there. And we get this equation. 2x minus 9 equals 9. Add 9 to both sides. We get 2x equals 18. X equals 9. Divide both sides by 2. So 9 is the partner right there. Now stick in 0 for y. Now remember, this is going to be called the x-intercept. Special little point. 0 is nice. If we stick it in, we just get 2x equals 9 because 0 is, well, 0. Divide both sides by 2 and we get 9 halves, or about 4.5. And then the last one here, stick 7 in for y. So we get 2x minus 21 equals 9. Add 21, we get 2x equals 30. Divide by 2, and we get x equals 15. Let's put that in there. Good. All right, number 7. Again, we're going to take this 2 and we're going to stick it right up in for that x. So we get y equals 7 halves times 2 is 7. 7 halves is 3.5. Plus 2, we get y equals 9. Now let's stick the 0 up in there. We've got to remember what that's called. 0 in for x. This gives us the y-intercept. And it is, stick in 0 right there, and you get y equals 0 plus 2 is 2. Don't even have to do much work. When you stick a 0 up in there, that guy just goes away because you stuck in 0. It's nice. So y equals 2 is the y-intercept. The next one, negative 1 in for x. So we get y equals negative 7 halves, because we took the 1 and stuck it in for the x, negative 1 there, plus 2. If we add those two together, we get negative 7 halves plus 4 halves is negative 3 halves, or negative 1.5 if you would prefer. Okay, for the next one, we're going to stick 0 in, and we're going to stick it over here for y. So we're going to get the x-intercept. Now you'll notice that the x-intercept isn't as nice as the y-intercept when the y is by itself, but we can do it. 0 equals 7 halves x plus 2. Subtract 2, 7 halves x, and divide both sides by 7 halves, which is the same thing as timesing, by 2 sevenths. Times by 2 sevenths, gone. So we get x equals negative 4 sevenths. Good. And the last one. Take 4 and stick it in for y, and we get 4 equals 7 halves x plus 2. Subtract 2, and we get 2 equals 7 halves x. Oh, that's almost like what we had over here. Times by 2 sevenths, and we get 4 sevenths on that one. Good. Okay, down here on numbers 8 through 13, we're going to graph them. We're going to sketch the graph down here and label x and y intercepts. Notice we're not just taking guesses at specific points. We're doing very particular points. We're going to let y equal 0, then we're going to let x equal 0. We need to have those same points as in the answer book. Okay, so number 8. So first of all, we're going to do the little xy thing here. We're going to stick in 0 for x. Now if 0 goes in for x, this guy is gone. And we're just going to get y equals 5. So 0, 5. If y is gone, and we scribble that guy out because it's 0, then we get 5x equals 10, and we get x equals 2. So 0, 5, and 2, 0 right there. And here's the graph. There we go. Good. Number 9, if we stick 0 in for x, so 0 goes in right there, we get negative 6 coming out. And that's all we do. We just stick 0 in right there. It goes away, and you can see y equals negative 6. Now, a little trickier on this one. If we stick 0 in for the y, we get this equation. 0 equals 4/7 x minus 6. So we have to add 6 over to that side. 4/7 x times by 7, divide by 4. So we get 42/4, which equals 21/2. So 21/2 is that one. 0, negative 6. There's one intercept. 21/2, 0. Oh, wow, that's clear out at 11, 10.5. So that's going to go up there like that. There we go. Beautiful straight line right there. And number 10. Ooh, there's another one with y by itself. So we stick in 0 for x. Oh, that's nice. Whoosh, gone. And we get 1 for y. There we go. And if we stick 0 in for y, then we get 0 equals 8/3 x plus 1. Subtract 1 over there. Times by 3, divide by 8, and we get negative 3/8. So that, if we stick 0 in for y, that's a negative 3/8 there. So negative 380 is our x-intercept, really tight in there. And 0, 1, so about up there. And there we go. There's our number 10. Good. Number 11. X equals 10. Now, it's kind of easy. If 0 goes in for y, then x is 10. Yeah, but what if x goes in for 0? That doesn't make any sense. 0 equals 10? That's absurd. We don't want to write that guy down. There is no x-intercept. I mean, no y-intercept. No y-intercept on that one. So we go out here, 10, 0. And this, remember, this is a vertical line because you can do 10, 0, 10, 1, 10, 2, 10, 3, 10, whatever. 10, whatever. And there we have it. Okay, number 12. Y equals negative 3/7 x plus 4. If we put 0 in for x, we get 4 out for y. 0, 4 right there. Now, if we stick 0 in for y, we get, let's put it down here somewhere. 0 equals negative 3/7 x plus 4. Subtract 4 over there. Times by 7 and divide by a negative 3, and we get positive 28/3. So we get 28/3, 0. So that's clear over here, like 10 or so. Well, almost 10. So our line looks a little bit like that. Good. Number 13. If we let x go in for 0 to get the y-intercept, that's like wiping that guy out, and we're going to get y is negative 14 there. If we stick in 0 for y, then this part goes away, and we get that x is going to equal 2. So 0, negative 14 way down here, and then 2, 0 right there. Ooh, that's a really steep line. There we go. Good.